Hey there, fellow maker, your buddy Bill here in the shop for a quick announcement. Our friends over at Humble Bundle are putting together another fantastic cosplay ebook bundle. It's launching today over at humblebundle.com. You can go there right now, and there's a ton of amazing books over there all about cosplay fabrication, books from people like me, and our friend Harrison over at Bullpen Props. Svetlana and Benny over at Kamui Cosplay have a bunch of ebooks and patterns available. And let's see, we got Grace over at Zombies Workshop has her new book in there. And our buddy Steven from Solo Roboto has a couple of books in there, one on Bondo and another one on sanding. Them and many other writers and creators have ebooks in this bundle, and they're amazing. The way it works is you pay what you want, as little as $1, and you'll get one tier of books. But if you pay more, you get more and more ebooks. I think it's something like $605 worth of ebooks if you get the whole tier. It's an astonishing deal. And the best part is that you get to choose where your money goes. You can decide how much of your money goes to Humble Bundle, how much goes to the writers, and how much goes to a charity. The two charities that Humble is supporting for this campaign are the Hero Initiative and the Book Industry Charitable Foundation, two fantastic charities. It's a win-win-win-win. Basically, you get a bunch of amazing cosplay ebooks. You get to support writers like me, and you get to support an amazing company like Humble, and of course, contribute a bunch of money to charity, which is really fantastic, especially right now. Like I said, the campaign launches today, right now, over at humblebundle.com. You can head on over there, pick up a whole bunch of cosplay knowledge for just a staggeringly low price, and help a lot of people along the way. Thank you so much. Please take care of one another, and we'll see you later.